What was that?
I am a Gundam.
Before we start, I'd like to thank Gunpla for giving me the opportunity to offer you guys a discount on their products via the channel. Their tools are model making game changers. I've been using their tools for well over a year now, from the razor to the sanding loop system. All superb quality in my opinion, and must have for any model maker's toolbox. Click the link in the description below and use code GundamFan7 upon checkout to save yourself 10% off your purchases. With that said, on with the video. What's up guys, GundamFan, welcome back to the channel. So I've been away for so long, I've been really rough. I'm just at the tail end of a cold, bit of man flu. So if you hear me coughing and struggling to breathe and cry, you know, it is what it is. But I'm at the tail end of it, so I'm getting a little bit better. Thanks for all the well wishes on Twitter, thank you so much guys. Anyway, there's going to be a stream tonight. It's been a week, I haven't had any time on the internet, so I've just been like really rough and stuff. Anyway, enough of that. We're going to talk about this. Now I received this in a post the other day, a little bit early, because this is a gift for me for my birthday, which is on the 8th of October. But I thought it was something else because, long story short, burst water hose underneath the sink. I was doing the washing up and then bam, just water everywhere. So I had to order a tap, some new hoses, some tools and bits and pieces, because I'm not paying a plumber. I am not paying a plumber, because I can fix it myself. Anyway, the sink spanner that I've asked for, because the sink nuts in the UK are about 45mm, they're pretty big. I didn't have a spanner for it, so I've ordered a specific tool for that to replace the tap faucet. This shaped box came and I thought that was that, so I've unwrapped it and I'm like, oh damn, this is a birthday gift. I know who this is from. Damn, it's come early because they said by the 11th of October, so it's pretty close. But anyway, enough disposition on my personal life and my struggles. This is it, the Dspaie cordless vacuum. Now I have unboxed it and I've had a look at the components and stuff, and I'm going to tell you now, it's a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. But it does come with different attachments, dual speed, and so on. It's USB-C, 60 watts. It's HCV, so you know they do have their model allocations there, so there might be a different version out there. The suction power is 3,000 to 6,000 PA. I've got no idea what that means. It's made of ABS and polystyrene, or is polystyrene PP? Oh, I don't know, I'm not a scientist. And the battery power is really what surprised me, is 5,200 milliamp hours. That's really impressive. I know that much. Usage time 18 to 30 minutes. So you can use this for 30 minutes constant. Like that's nuts. So anyway, so enough talking about it. It's a really beautiful box. As with any of the Dspaie stuff, if you've bought any Dspaie products, you will automatically get a sensory surprise, because all their boxes, all their tools, all their packaging is got different mediums on it. That's like smooth and then rough, and you've got some foil stuff on there. So they spend no expense. They spend no expense on the actual packaging on any of their stuff. So really impressed by the box so far. As with anything, you want to keep it all nice. And it comes with 2 inner packages, kind of like you're unboxing an iPhone. You know, it's really cool. We'll get to the accessories first before we get to the main event. And what another thing that is really cool is the USB-C. It's like a generic lead, don't get me wrong, it's one of them leads that you can get from China, maybe £2 or £3 jobby, but it's been branded, so they take great care on their on the presentation of all their stuff. So I've got a Dspaie USB-C charger now. How cool is that? And then the other bits and pieces. This one's a bit shy. We've got a flexi hose, which is actually a quite nice rubbery sort of plastic, so it doesn't feel brittle, doesn't feel like it's gonna snap. Although under constant use it might end up splitting eventually, but no big deal. But yeah, it's like this rubbery sort of plastic, which is pretty cool. What I'll also throw in here is an adapter, brush adapter. And last but not least, the extender. Now all of these clip together like so. Unfortunately, I don't know how to attach that. I really don't know how to attach this bit. But anyway, yeah, just saying that, how do you attach that? Because that's round and all these are oval. That's really odd. Anyway, let's open this bit. And you are greeted with a duffel bag. Again, more presentation, more stuff they didn't really need to do, but it did anyway. The size of this thing. It's huge, like a flask. It is massive. It really is a beefy boy. Thick boy. You know, some people have got ones that are like, you can hold in your palm and you run over the desk like that, but no. Dspaie had other ideas. Look at this, my boy. It's making me feel really inadequate right now. There's a charge port, nice and clean. On and off button. That's it. And there's the exhaust. Now, like I say, the extender pieces go in like this, but I don't know whether I don't know where this bit goes. So, answers on a postcard. How do you use this bit? Because I kind of threw the oh, okay. Goes on the back. Oh, it might be a blower. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Play as we go, eh? Play as we go. Right, so this must be a blowing tool, and this must be for the suction. Right, so I'm going to turn it on now. So rip ears if anyone, get fair warning. It's going to get a little loud. So you press the button, you hold it down, and it illuminates. It tells you that it's in operation, ready to go. I'll tell you what, seems right so far, but if you need that extra, it's like a jet engine. But oh yeah, it's on to something there. Nice. There we go. It's as simple as that. There is a stopcock there that stops any like returning guff, and all the nonsense is inside here. So I've picked up all this crap already, and all you've got to do is pull this out. and it's emptied that much. There's quite a bit there. And that was what, 2 minutes work, just going around the edges and outsides. And you know, sometimes you might want to clean up your paint, but you can wipe these down. That was just a bit over the top. But yeah, I think you can buy these filters from Dspaie separately. It's a shame they don't send you a second filter, but it's going to be a while until I need to think about changing them. But literally out of the box, really impressed, really impressive. I'm going to try it on my keyboard upstairs. Okay, let's try the blower. Let's see how this works. Now I'm assuming you've got to have this open to allow air to pass in to then blow out. See how it works. It's not bad. It's not bad for what it is, for what you're getting. That's quite fun. And excuse the rain, it's pissing down now. But there we go. The Dspaie cordless vacuum. Get one today. They're only about £35. Got this one from AliExpress, or you can go to AliExpress, the Dspaie's official store on AliExpress, and get it direct. Feels really nice. Like most of their tools, they all feel really good in hand. It's really chunky. it's just obnoxiously big. But yeah, you definitely know you've got yourself a decent vacuum, and it's going to do what you need to do on your desk. It's going to keep your desk nice and clean, and when you can't bother to hoover it, you can just blow it away. Or if you want to dust it, you got a model kit that's got a bit of fluff on it, and you don't want to use any sort of fibres or anything like that, you can use this to just blow the dust off. And also blow, off your model kits and stuff like that. You can blow all the dust and debris off there, and use the vacuum gently on your kits. But I'm not too sure whether this will scratch the lacquer and stuff like that. So just bear that in mind. You use this tool how you're going to use it. But as far as I'm concerned, it's money well spent. What a tool! And I like all their range. I'm a huge fan. But there we go, an idiot's guide and an idiot's review on the Dspaie cordless vacuum. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks so much, guys. If you got this far, consider subscribing so I can bring you more content like this. Next up will be a heavy arms update, because he is ready for decals now. And the bullet belt that I ordered is now magnetised, so I can magnetise. I can, it doesn't matter about that. I can just take that and it's all magnetised, and it don't look too bad, does it? It's ready for some detailing and some panel lining and some other bits and pieces and some decals and whatnot. But yeah, it's all coming along. Magnets I used were these tiny little things. These are 6mm by 1mm. Forgive me, I don't know what the type of magnet is, but these are really strong magnets, really strong. They're silly strong, but they all the needs that you for modelling. Just go look for these magnets, small magnets. If you want something to attach and deattach and you don't want to glue it and whatnot, magnets are your friend for model making. But there we are. Yeah, thanks guys. Comments below. Ask any questions. I will always answer them, or do my best to answer them, and consider leaving a thumbs up. Anyway, guys, thanks very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.